Hi everyone, Arrgito Cowto here with my awesome Belches. Tonight is very special and important. But before that happens, I have Twitter. Follow me. This video was really difficult to make as I attempted to break into Arrgito Momota's house for some samples, but I could not get any. Also, I have recently gotten into a video game thanks to the help of my good friend Chiaki Nami. It is so swag and awesome. It is called Sea of Thieves. In this game,
Arrgito, shut your bitch ass up. I'm not doing this bit again. I know that's your
Hajimal, I need you to please do the funny voice.
Oh, right.
I know that's your goal because you always do this when we write the scripts of the goddamn video. So shut the hell up and get on with the goddamn video. Wow. You're so mean, Hajimal. I despise you at times. Anyway, we have an awesome guest in this video. Introducing the King of Belches, Cowto Momota!
Howdy, partner. My name's Cowto Momota, Pangendrum of the Cows. Today, I will review Belches, also known as eructation round these parts, with my good friend, Arrgito.
That is awesome, Cowto, but I do not think Belches are erections.
That's not what
On to the video. Top 5 is regular burp during a conversation while I am talking about awesome farts. This makes me so mad and it fills me with despair.
That's unfortunate. I love it when someone belches randomly while I'm talking, especially in the face.
Do you have a burp fetish? Top 4 is the Hajimal burp, because it is kind of gross, but not bad.
Hajimal, you mind getting in my face and doing a sample?
Moving on. Top 3 is Bob Belcher, because this is a really funny reference to a place I go to eat.
LOL, that is very funny, Arrgito. That name sounds familiar. Who's Bob Belcher?
Bob Belcher is a man I am friendly with. He owns a restaurant called Bob's Burgers.
Burgers? You eat cows, Arrgito?
Is there a problem, Cow?
There's a big problem here, Arrgito!
You're a farmer, right? So what's the problem?
I'm not a farmer! I take care of cows and treat them like family! I take care of them! Take them to cow school and sleep with my hot cow wife!
What the
Not
hell?
only that, when we signed our contract of friendship, you promised not to eat cows! Nobody should eat cows!
Now, Cowto, get a grip. A lot of people eat cows, including Hajimal. Arrgito, you one dense motherfucker, that's for sure!
Using the power of the cows, I will kill you for disrespecting cows forever!
We done fucked up now, Hajimal.
What the fuck?
Yar. Where the hell did that come from? Hajimal, I am dead. I am a ghost forever, and I will not be alive. I need you to avenge me. Kill all the cows, and make sure you take over Arrgito reviews for me. Bye there. I'll do it! No matter what bitch ass stands in my way. I will avenge my best friend! Thank you! Thank you, Arrgito!